Welcome to this video. In the last two videos, we walked you through the online exam guidelines, as well as what you need to know and how to sit for the online examination. In this video, we will talk about some practical issues of the examination, so stay tuned! First, in order to sit for the real examination, you will need to have the Zoom app installed in your cell phone. This is because you will be using the cell phone to allow the invigilator to monitor you while you work on your examination using your laptop. You will also be using your cell phone to communicate with the invigilator through Zoom as well. So before we move on to those details, here's a quick breeze through of how to install the Zoom app on your cell phone. So there you go. You now have your Zoom app ready. We will now come to the second step regarding how you should position your cell phone camera during the exam. In fact, this is just so simple. You can place your cell phone either on your left side or on the right. All that matters is that we will need to see both your face and the screen of your laptop. See? Next, how will the exam actually be carried out? Any verification procedures? Of course! First, you will be able to obtain a Zoom link from the secretary at least 48 hours before the exam, and you will need to go register for the examination. You will need to use the same username and password used to sign up your Zoom app on your cell phone in order to register. On the day of the examination, you will be allowed to log on the exam section 1 hour before the exam starts. That is, this page here. You still remember this from our last video? However, you cannot start doing your exam until the official exam start time. Here, you will see not just the section screen but also the Zoom link to log on to Zoom with your cell phone. Again, not your laptop, but your cell phone. Once you are connected to Zoom, you will be queued for verification. Our invigilators will ask you to show your PRC card and perform a few movements in front of your cell phone so that we can see clearly if that's you in the PRC card. We will also ask you to pan around your room so that we can see your surroundings before you start your exam. And once all these are done, you will be allowed into the Zoom exam room where you will also see the other examinees. Since you see that it does take time for us to perform the above verification procedures, please do log on to the exam section to go through the Zoom verification section at least 45 minutes before the exam starts. Next, so how do you request for a bathroom break or contact the invigilator when you have a question? You can always use the raise your hand button or use the chat room to alert the main invigilator. Once you have raised your hand or sent a message in the chat room, either private or public message, our invigilator will contact you to assist you. However, it is always better that you go to the CR before you sit for the exam or use the CR break in between the sessions. So that's it. Good luck to everyone with your online examination. Till then, bye-bye!